Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you a program of a linked list, and I want to perform few operation on the linked list. So let's start. First, I am taking the name of a linked list. It is LL as a name of a linked list, and it is a empty list. As you know, the list is a data structure in Python. Now I am going to add some value or add some element into this linked list. So to adding some value, you have to use append function. So linked list dot a append function. Inside the append function, you have to pass the element, let's say India, linked list dot append, say Bangladesh, and another element this is Sri Lanka. Okay, so these are few element I add to this list by using append function. After that, I want to display the list that I have created using this append function. So to display this, I have to write print the existing list equal to, say an equal to, and comma, and the linked list. The name of the list is linked list. So this line will print the existing list. Now I am going to create a menu. That means it will be a menu driven program, and to create a menu we have to use some input, or we have to take some input of the user. So for that we are taking a variable called choice, and it is initialized with 0. For this menu, the creation of this menu, I am taking a while loop. So while choice less than 5, then print linked list operations there is a line, then the options print 1 for add element, then print two for remove element, print 3 for replace element, print 4 search element, print 5 for exit. That will exit from the loop. And here we have to take the choice from the user. So choice, the choice will be an integer value, so it is the int function, then input and your choice. Let us capital U. Okay, so this is the choice. Now we are going to write the conditions. So if choice is equal to 1, then the function will add some element into the list. So you have to take the element from the user. So ele element is a variable and input function enter element. Okay. Now we are going to take the position where the element will be inserted. So position is the another variable, that is pos. It will also be taken from user. So int, it is an integer value, that is the index is always integer. So input is the input function, then at what positions, that means you are taking the position from the user where you can insert, it will insert the element into the list. Then linked list, it is ll dot insert the first parameter is position, that means at what positions the value will be inserted, and the next parameter will be element. Okay. So this is the choice 1. Then second choice, that is elif choice equals to 2, then we will remove the element. So here we have to delete the element carefully, because if the linked list is an empty, that is empty linked list, or if it is a empty linked list, so it will give you a value error. So we have to tackle the exception using some try and except block. So we have to use some try, then the element you want to delete from the list, so element, that is input, enter element, and linked list dot remove the element. Okay, if the value is not present or it is not available in the list, so it will give you an exception. So we have to handle the exception. So except value error. So this is called value error, and it will print the element not found. So this is the choice number 2. Next, the choice number 3, that is elif choice equals to 3. Then we will replace the element. So the element will be inserted in by user, enter element, and position is also needed. That means the element will be replaced at which position. So positions is also be inserted by the user. So it is an integer number int input at what position. So you have to delete the value from the particular position. To delete this, you have to write linked list dot pop operations and insert the parameter as a positions and insert the new value into this position. So linked list dot insert the positions POS and the element. Okay, so the positions value will be deleted and the new value will be inserted at that positions. So this is how replacement happen. Next, elif choice is equals to 4, then the search operation. So the search operation, you have to enter the element. So el element equal to input and enter element. Enter element. Here we have to use try for the exception handling. Positions, that is linked list dot index the element. That means the position will hold the index of the element we want to search, and print the element is found at position comma POS. If the element was not found, so it will give you a error that is called value error. So we have to handle this exception, the except except value error and print the element capital T, the element or element not found. So element not found. And finally the else block, else it will exit or break. Okay, now we can display the linked list. So print the list is LL. Okay, so let's compile this code. It will take some time for the first time. So there is a error, invalid syntax, and so here I am missing the statement or say double inverted comma. So now, okay, so these are the menu. First, the existing list is India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and I'm going to add some elements. So add one. This is Nepal. Okay, and enter. And which positions? And the 0, 1, 2, position number 3. As you can see, it is inserted into the position number 3. That is, India is 0, Bangladesh is 1, Sri Lanka is 2, and Nepal is 3. Then I want to remove some element, that is 2. The enter element. Want to delete India. So INDIA, India. As you can see, the India is deleted from the list. Then I want to replace. So option number 3, and the element is Nepal. At which positions? Position number 0. As you can see, the Bangladesh will replace by Nepal, and Nepal, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Then I want to add an element. Enter element India. Again, at which positions? The position number 4 or 3. You can also insert into second positions 2. As you can see, the India is placed in position number 2 and Nepal is shifted by 1. So now I want to search India. So search for, this is 4 for search, and I want to search India. As you can see, the element is found is position 2. That is, Nepal is 0, Sri Lanka is 1, and India is 2. And in Python, the index will start from 0. So for exit, I want to insert. I have to insert 5. So 5, and it will stop, or it will out from loop. So this is how you can create a linked list using Python, and you can do several operations like add, remove, replace, and search from the linked list. So thank you for watching this video. For this kind of video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.